Hi Oz, Techie Becky here with you. Today in Connecting Through Technology, we learned about streaming on Facebook. We asked people if they knew what streaming on Facebook is and asked if anyone knew how to do a live stream video. Some knew how to do a live stream video, others weren't quite sure. So we ended up doing a live stream video on Facebook. We also called people on Facebook Messenger and managed to get 6 people on Facebook Messenger camera. It was a very successful day. Everyone enjoyed the workshop. I look forward to working with you all again next Friday. Until then, Techie Becky signing out.